welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I did some makeup inspired from the show Euphoria. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Hey dolls, and welcome to the voiceover. So today we're just going to go ahead and start right in on the eyes, and I'm using Maybelline's Master Prime to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I already had my foundation and stuff done since this is mainly an eyeshadow look. And so the first color I'm going in with is from the Morphe 39S palette in Pink Prize, and I'm just kind of blending this out. That way we can start to get that gradient effect with the pinks and the purples. And then I'm going in with a little bit of Purple Majesty, again just to start building that pinky purple gradient. I think this is a super fun eyeshadow look, and I kind of saw everybody posting pictures about it, so that's why I went ahead and did this look. And then after Purple Majesty, I'm going in with Laven-dare, and it's a shimmery purpley color much like the picture. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my finger to apply this, that way you really get that shimmery pop. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of make a light lash line with Peri-twinkle. And I'm also using a tiny brush for this, and then I'm going to take it underneath my eyes as well. That way it matches the inspiration photo, because she does kind of have a purple line underneath. And then I'm going in with a little bit of Catch the Light, just to highlight my brow bone. And you could totally leave this look here, but I'm going to go ahead and add the eyeliner. So she has a pretty big, thick cat eye eyeliner. And I'm just going in with the NYX Matte Liner and tapering this out more towards the ends so that it's a thicker line. And then just taking a little bit of the Hard Candy Kajal liner and lining the outer corner and the inner corner, but leaving the center blank. That way you kind of get that more purple in the center. And then going in with some Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara just to get those big thick lashes. I think this just makes a pretty purple look if you were just to stop here too. But we're going to add some sparkles later on. And for the lip, I went in with NYX Beach Casual, just to have a nice nude lip. And this is the fun part. So I took some Kiss eyelash adhesive to stick the little gems on, and these are just little rhinestones that you can get pretty much from any craft store. And I kind of applied them in the circle shape. You can either apply the lash glue to the back of the rhinestone, or like I'm doing here, you can apply it to your eyelid and then just stick the rhinestone on. And you can kind of make different shapes with these. I know some of the looks she had it on top of her eyeliner, or in this one she had the shape in her crease. So I think this is really, really cool and fun. I definitely love that the sparkles are on there. You guys know I love some sparkles. And that's pretty much it for this look. You just gotta repeat the same thing on the other side with either dabbing the glue on the back or adding the glue to your eye and then applying the rhinestone. And that's it for this Euphoria inspired makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you hit thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Until next time, guys. Bye!